The 20th letter is fa. It's like you're saying fire, fire, fire. Fa is pronounced for combining the edge of the upper incisors when they hit down on the inside part of the inside lower lip. Fa, 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 fa. See, the difference between fa and tha is the tongue, because in the fa, the tongue has no involvement at all. In tha, you stick your tongue out. In fa, you don't. Tha, fa, fa, fa. Examples of fa from the Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا. إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. A reminder that the victory is near.